Guys, this is the part 3 of my video here in a world largest truck stop ever in Iowa. Here's another one of my collection. It says all you need is pag-ibig. All you need is love and a cat. What? Pag-ibig daw at saka pusa. Pag-ibig sa pusa. It's nice here. Oh gosh. Tignan nyo to. Ang ganda nito. It's a bear on a golden trout. Yeah. Tignan natin yung mga collection kong tasa. I don't drink coffee, but for my hot chocolate. It says, you are my partner in crime. Yeah. Nice one, huh? And here's another. I need a bear hug. And this one. Start each day with a grateful heart. And think happy things. All right. That's nice there. Ta-da! I'm gonna put down first this one so I can have room around here. I'm gonna look for this. It says born to monkey around. Look at that. It's nice, huh? Let's go. Different kinds of owls. Yeah. Yeah. It's Christmas here in Hawaii. With Robin. Look at this. Diba maganda? Pula. Oh, see? Maganda siya. I like wolf and decoration. You up? So, ayos na sanitizer. I've been touching everything. Yeah, there's a flies. Ooh, what's this? Apple pie. Look at that all. Which one you like? This one? It's just for decoration. I need an ice cream. Ito flag. Let's see it. There is Philippine flag. Wala namang flag ng Pilipinas. United States. Iba talaga. Ito. Wala. Please do not sit. It's okay. I'm just gonna want to sit, but look. It says, please do not sit. It's an army jeep. It says do not sit, so do not sit.
Please do not sit on jeep.
Can't you go there? Take me here. Just like that.
What? 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 Come on, baby. Let's go there.
Where?
Oh, that's good.
Okay, go up.
Up there.
Go up because I'm gonna go here.
Well, go
I
there.
do more vlogs. Different kinds of stuffed toys. You're gonna be in love. Right here. Another restaurant.
Leave my feet alone one year. I'm like, dude, you gotta stop.
Wow. I don't know where's the ice cream here. This is what's this? For the truck for hauling cows. Bigger one. Cows or pigs. It says cattle.